Hello, hello everyone. This is Tianhao Qiu. Today I will present the blockchain, the new technology. The world is totally different compared with 100 years ago, even 20 years ago. What made the changes? The answer is technology. Technology has allowed us to connect with people with ease and has made many tasks much easier. From desktops to iPhone, the world we live in allows us to communicate with anybody with wireless access. With just a couple of clicks of the mouse, technology has made everybody's life more convenient. There are four parts I will address today. The Internet of Things. The second is cloud computing. The third is computer hardware. The fourth is open source. The first, I will talk about the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a new revolution of the Internet. It refers to a world where physical objects and beings, as well as virtual data and environments, all interact with each other in the same space and time. All objects can play an active role thanks to their connections to the Internet. The Internet is based on the Internet traditional telecommunication and other information carrier. The Internet of Things make all individual physical substances get connected. On the Internet of Things, everyone label real things online. People can track their locations. With the development of Internet technology, individuals benefit from this. It will satisfy people's needs from many aspects. It also created many opportunities since its invented. A large number of business industries prospered by capturing this chance. For example, Amazon and eBay. It makes the merchandise digitally and transfers the object into another form that makes the transaction easier and more quickly. The second topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing is computing online the Internet. Via this method, the information and applications can be shared with multiple computers and other devices. The users don't know the details of the cloud-based installation. They don't need master skills in terms of IT science. They don't even operate it directly. The conceptual framework of cloud computing depicts a picture that a system based on the Internet has a function in using, providing, and exchanging resources. With the development scale of Internet computing resource, memory resource, and the statistics resource, Internet is experiencing a transformation from the traditional communicational platform to an interactive and multitask platform. There are some characteristics. It is a self-service system, and the user can get it on it anytime and no location limit. And multiple people can share the information. The process can be monitored and measured. The security has improved because of the synchronization of data. So let's talk about the safety. Like other distributed computing technologies, clouds have privacy and security controls to ensure that only the people you want to access your data are able to. As clouds store such large amounts of information, they could make attractive targets for hackers, causing cloud providers to continue to develop better security for your data. Computer hardware. The next thing I will talk about. As we all know, computer hardware is comprised of different functioning parts, working with software in order to finish input, solve, save, and output for operating processes. They are classified in 5 categories by the functions. Output methods such as screen, speaker, and the input method, for example, keyboard and mouse. Input information into the computer and transform the forms of information. The third, like memory. The fourth, CPU. The last, main board. It is the biggest board in the computer. Hardware in computer terms that the physical equipment compose the system. They play a very important role in the whole computer system. Last but not least, the open source. Open source is a description of a product before it comes out, provides its original materials and codes. Only the creators or the companies of the application have the right to share the source code. Sometimes the program designer makes the source code public and let users modify and improve it. Open source software are benefit to the outside users. The best representative of using open source is Linux systems. There are some characteristics like free distribution. The second is outside users can request the source code or the designers release the source code with the software. The third one, people can also modify it within the condition and terms, for example, derived works. The fourth, integrity of the author source. Imagine attempting to live the way you do today. A decade ago, how about calling your friends from the house phone without the new technology that was introduced? It was difficult to say what else the technology world could improve on. Now they have computers you can take anywhere with internet that works at lightning speed. The technology changing the world, changing people's life. Thank you, everyone. This is Tian Hao, and this is Block 1 presentation.